So we just got to this temple and it's already a beautiful view. I wish we could have gotten here a little bit earlier, but we had car trouble and we had to get that checked out before continuing on our way, just to make sure everything was safe. But we made it here and oh my gosh, like you have to look at this view. It's incredible. Wow.
Wow, we are so high up.
Oh, 고양이 in the tree.
어, 진짜네.
너무 귀엽다.
고양이.
너무 고양이. 어, 귀엽다. Wow, it's so cute. This is my favorite. This is really adorable. 어, 귀엽다. Wow, this temple is so beautiful. It's like all 바다 and sun. It's really gorgeous. You can see a temple over there too. We're gonna try to go to that one also. But this one, wow, it's breathtaking. Oh, super beautiful. I'm so glad we came here and there's no one here. Oh, well, I heard someone's here. Wow, so magical. Like on a rock ledge too. Look from here, how it's built like into the rock wall. That's really amazing.
So that was our first temple, 문수암.
Yes, yep, all the way up there.
And this one is our, it's like, I feel like it's temple tour.
Temple tour. Yes, it does feel like that.
This one is 보현암.
Boyeongam? Okay, so we could see the Buddha all the way from that temple too. So it's really big. Like this one, wow. Again, 사람 없어. Like we're the only ones here again. But it's beautiful. And 고양이.
와, 고양이 또 있네,
Another
진짜.
one.
I feel like 고양이's like
cats.
are, yeah, temp cats are like waiting for you.
I know, I love it.
Welcome, Danielle.
Oh, so cute. I bet the view is going to be beautiful. Oh, 귀엽다.
와,
Wow, that's incredible.
다니엘 여기 봐봐, 뒤에 up.
I know. I want to go up there and see. Wow, the way the sun is shining through the clouds over there, it looks like beams of like heaven. And I swear I just heard thunder. Oh, so cool.
Oh yeah. 와, 저기도 있네. What's that?
Is that another one?
I think so.
Wow, lots of temples up here.
와.
Oh, paintings are cool.
Oh, we should go.
Oh, one more.
Yeah.
How do we get up there?
다시
Is
가자.
there stairs here?
여기. Wow, finally.
Oh, so amazing.
Look at this.
This is beautiful.
와. you know, it's good thing and bad thing. Good thing is nobody's here.
I know.
So it's really good for us like to look around everything.
Very private.
But bad thing.
A little creepy. Yeah.
kind of 무섭다.
A little bit. But it's also like, I don't know, I really like the smell of temples. Like the smell is like my favorite smell.
와, 이거 진짜 크다.
That's really cool.
부처님이 진짜.
We both have matching ears.
Oh, you have?
I have Buddha's ears too.
맞아. 다니엘 귀가 진짜 커. Buddha's ear.
Wow, this like rooftop is amazing. Oh my goodness.
I feel like I can touch to the sky.
나도. So cool.
와, 여기 진짜 멋있다.
Wow. So that's a really interesting temple. We talked to a person who's been coming here a lot, and he told us that this temple is known for like curing people or like helping them heal. So he said he has like a disease, and so he's been coming here to like heal himself. I thought that was really interesting. So anyway, well, we've been to 2 temples now. 배고파.
배고파? But there's another one temple.
I think we're fine on temples today.
Enough?
Enough.
괜찮아?
괜찮아.
배고파?
배고파.
Okay, 뭐 먹을까?
갈비? Let's see what they have around town.
Or even like raw fish.
I don't, but if you want to eat that, that's okay too. I can find something else.
We will see.
Okay, let's just go check it out.
가자.
가자.
Productive day, by the way.
So we came to this Galbi restaurant, and it's actually unlimited Galbi, so you can eat as much as you want. It looks so good right now.
다니엘 맛있어?
너무 맛있다.
You craving 갈비 today?
I was, and it's very rare for me. Okay, let's dip it. Some onions.
I thought you were giving me.
Like an April Fool's joke.
갈비 맛있어?
We have so much food left though. I don't know if we're gonna... How can we eat it all? I made pork on the grill too. And they have like kamja. We have everything. Oh, it looks so good though. I'll try dipping this. 뜨거워요. It's too hot. I'll just wait on that one. Yummy though. Okay, so if our meat wasn't enough, now we even have bibimbap. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of this in.
Did you order this?
Yes, I did.
Wow, you said you 배불러.
Yeah, I am. But why not be even more full?
와, 대단하다 다니엘. 한국 사람이네. 고기 with 비빔냉면.
I told you it's tradition. I told you before. Last time. With gogi and bibimbap together.
와, 대박이네. 먹는 먹는 법을 안 해. You know how to eat?
잠깐만.
Perfect. Good collaboration.
Oh, we ate too much. 어떡하지? I feel like I'm dying. How are you feeling? You ate more than me.
아 진짜 배불러.
Yeah. I think we need to go to the hotel and like go for a walk. Maybe by 바다 before bed. Because I don't think I can sleep like this. I'm 진짜 배불러요.
아 진짜 배부르다.
But it's really delicious, so I'm happy. Okay, good job. We just got to our hotel, so we're gonna go check in and then probably take a little bit of a walk to digest. Oh, looks like a nice hotel so far. Have to see the rooms, of course, but it looks promising so far. That's cute. They have like a photo zone over there. The props. Okay. Oh, this looks nice and clean.
오 깨끗하네.
Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, tiny. It's clean. Oh, looks good. Oh, there's a veranda. Ooh. Oh, cute little table out there. That's nice. Could have like morning coffee right here. And see the sunrise or 바다.
와 바다 예쁘다.
Yeah, 예쁘다. That's nice. Good job. You did a good one.
Finally.
Finally, not 1970s hotel.
Last time.
Last time. Oh, we have two beds.
Oh, we could have one more
Each.
person.
Can I have this one?
Okay. 아니
Stretch.
같이.
But I want my own bed.
Okay, you can. You can have that. I'm gonna have this.
Okay, let's go. Let's just drop our stuff off and just go out. Okay, 가자.
와 진짜 다니엘이 가는 곳마다 고양이가. 와 바다 진짜 예쁘다.
어, 귀엽다.
어디? 아 여기?
귀엽다.
어?
Tommy, come back. Come back.
다니엘 저거 읽어봐.
바다의 꿈.
바다의 꿈.
Ocean Dream.
Ocean's Dream.
I like it here. It's very calm.
와 진짜 바람이 없어 다니엘. 오늘
I know.
no 바람, no windy.
없어.
와
Yeah, it's nice. It's a
진짜-
nice, like calm night. So we just got back to the hotel after our walk, and now we're just drinking some tea and watching 밤바다.
통영밤바다.
Good night, and see you in the morning.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,
Younger than
stop for traffic.